Hello everyone, this is Erlin from the Experience Research Lab. Today I'm going to walk you through a very simple procedure of computing variables in SPSS. This procedure is especially useful if you have two or more variables using scale measure and you want to see the relationship between or among these variables by creating a new variables where the values are generated by calculating or computing the existing variables. To do that, I will take an example data set by clicking File, Open, Data. It is in my local folder with the file name profit.save. Click Open. On my data editor on Data View, I press the Ctrl N to see the number of cases I have available in my data. So there are 1,822 cases available for data analysis. If I go to the first case by pressing Ctrl Home, I can see that in the first case there are 9 employees making $9,777 annually. This is an estimation, not the actual profit. But I want to see or get an insight of how much each employee contributes annually. So to do that, I need to compute these two variables, the number of employees and the profit. And this is possible because both these variables, EMP2 and profit, use scale measure. If I click variable view, I can see here that currently I have 3 variables, EMP2, industry, and profit. As previously mentioned, both EMP2 and profit use scale measure. So I'm good to go with the computation by clicking Transform, Compute Variable. In the empty box under the target variables, I need to type my new variable names, profit per employee, because the idea is to divide the number of the amount of profit estimated annually by the number of employees. So profit per employee. As you are aware that SPSS doesn't allow you to use blank space or symbols in variable name. So for that reason, I only use capital letters and small letters here. If I click Type and Label, I can type almost anything, including the black space and symbols. But here I will type profit space per space employee and want to have the variable as numeric. Click Continue. So the equation for is profit per employee equals something. To complete this equation, I need to include my variable estimated profit. Click the arrow button, divide it by number of employees. Select this number of employee, click the arrow button again. So this is the final equation, profit per employee equals profit divided by the number of employee. So on compute variable, there are several functions available for you, including arithmetic, search, significance, and time duration extraction. But for now, I don't really need any of this, so I just leave it as is. Additionally, there is also if option. If you want to include all cases, you don't need to do anything here. But if you want to include only cases that satisfy a particular condition, you need to click this option and select the variable here. For example, if you want to include all cases that only have more than 2 employees, you can select number of employees more than 2. To continue, you click Continue, but for now, I'll click Cancel. So everything is good to go. I click OK. So SPSS automatically generated or create a new variable here on the fourth row, profit per employee. It is numeric, and the label is profit per employee here, and it is scale measure. If I click data view, I can see the new variable here on the fourth column. And in the first case, if 9 employees is estimated to make $9,777 annually, it means that each employee contributes $1,086 annually. Another example is that if 8 employees in the third case can make $2,660 annually, it means that each of them contributes $332 annually. So that's how you transform or compute variables in SPSS. It doesn't necessarily have to be addition or multiplication, because you can use any of this function with any of these numbers. But for now, I will leave it here. Click cancel. For more insights into data analysis in SPSS, please subscribe, listen, and watch our content. It is available in text, audio, and video format. Thank you for being with me, and see you next time on the next video. Cheers.